kicking it, yeah, we kicking it.
Yo, what's up? It's another episode of Kickin' It. I'm your host, Soce. It's about to get real ugly up in here, you heard? Real gutter, real brolicky. On tonight's episode, we got a superstar special guest who set the hip-hop world on fire for over a decade. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the one, the only, J-Zone!
What's going on, Soce?
Nice. It's a pleasure to have you on the show. Let's get right down to it.
All right.
One of the reasons why you're so well loved is because you never pull your punches. And nowhere is that more evident than on your track, The Bum Bitch Ballad.
Right.
Why don't you tell us what that song is all about?
Well, Soce, the track deals with the sensitivity we as a society have with the word and rap music. You know, a lot of people say it's misogynist, but I don't think that's true. See, I know male, I know female, so I like to consider myself a equal opportunity destroyer, see?
That's what I love about this track. By including verses about both men and women, you are bringing us one step closer to gender equality.
Right.
So, how long did it take you to come up with this concept?
1 hour.
How many different samples of that word are in it?
14.
How long did it take you to find them?
Well, it took me about 3 days to find them all. And once I gathered them all up, it only took me about 75 seconds to actually sample, truncate, and treat each one.
Oh, wow. So before you even started recording the song itself, you'd already spent a full 3 days.
Plus 1 hour and 17 and a half minutes, exactly. Then it took me a day to lay down the music itself, but it only took 6 minutes to record the lyrics because the song is exactly 3 minutes long, and I just made 2 separate passes to the tape machine using SMPTE code.
Not bad. How long did it take you to write the lyrics?
Well, the rhymes took me 7 days to write because I kept revising them 3 times per day. So yeah, that's a total of 1 original version and 20 revisions.
And then to mix and master it?
Well, the record took me a whole day to mix because I was using DA-88 tape machines and I didn't have Pro Tools yet. So I used an analog mixing board and did all of the drops by hand. I messed up about 100 times, but I eventually got the right mix. My mastering engineer, whose name is Pablo, he mastered the whole album in 4 days, and I estimate about 3 hours of that went into mastering this particular song.
All right. So all in all, how long did it take you and Pablo to complete this song from start to finish?
Well, if you add up all those times, you get 1 hour, plus 3 days, plus 17 and a half minutes, plus 6 minutes, plus 7 days, plus 1 day, plus 3 hours, which comes out to a total of 11 days, 4 hours, and 23 and a half minutes.
Wow. Well over a week of solid work. However, that's only the amount of work that you guys put into the track. Those samples didn't come out of nowhere. How many were from movies? How many were from TV? And how many were from other songs?
In addition to the 14 samples of the word, there are an additional 10 music samples, making for a total of 24 samples. 1 was from a movie, 2 were from TV, and 21 were from records.
So, assuming it takes 2 years to make a movie, 1 week to make a TV show, and 2 weeks to make a song,
it actually took a total of 2 years, 45 weeks, 4 days, 4 hours, and 23 and a half minutes for this song to be made.
and assuming that 500 people are involved in making a movie, 100 people are involved in a TV show, and 20 people are involved in making a song, plus you and your engineer Pablo.
That makes for a total of 500 times 1, plus 100 times 2, plus 20 times 21, plus 2, which equals 1,122 total people involved in creating this track.
That's quite a lot of effort involved, but definitely worth it.
I like to think so.
Math pros, it's the end of the show. We are letting you go till the next episode. Try to crack the code, keep solving the play. Loosen up, do a couple math problems a day.